Photography can seem daunting, but understanding three key settings can make all the difference. ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. ISO measures your camera's sensitivity to light. A lower ISO means less sensitivity, ideal for bright conditions, while a higher ISO is better for low light but can introduce noise. Shutter speed controls how long your camera's sensor is exposed to light. Faster speeds freeze motion, perfect for action shots, while slower speeds capture movement, great for low light or creative effects. Aperture, measured in f-stops, determines the size of the lens opening. A lower f-stop means a larger opening, allowing more light and creating a shallow depth of field, ideal for portraits. A higher f-stop reduces the opening, increasing depth of field, perfect for landscapes. Mastering these settings allows you to take control of your photography, creating stunning images in any situation. Practice adjusting each to see how they affect your photos, and soon you'll be shooting like a pro.